This is my second assembly drawing tutorial. So we're going to detail this assembly drawing. The first thing is to isolate in the model the assembly so that you can have a good look. And then you can plan how to detail. So I have isolated. So I'm having a look here and I am trying to figure out how to detail this. Alright, so this is my plan. I am going to detail all of this as a subassembly. And this bit, all of that as a subassembly. Probably I will add this and this plate as well as these two plates in the same subassembly. Basically, it's going to be a section there, and I'll be able to see this one, this one, this one, and this one. And I'll be able to easily dimension them in relation to the main beam here. Now, with the main beam itself, what am I going to include? I'll probably create a view of the main beam showing the main beam, and then what else? I will show these three pieces. This piece, that's it. So in the general main view, that is the main view of the drawing, I can dimension this two, all of that. Probably this one I might need a detailed view, because in the front view I will see all of that in the background. So I'll take a detailed view and then hide all of this from the background, so I can get a clear view of this one, and then I should be able to dimension all of that. I think that will make the drawing pretty simple. Because this method requires you to hide and show various parts, it's better that you have a shortcut to hide and show elements or parts in the view. So otherwise you'll spend a lot of time trying to show and hide. So this is what I have done here. I have the main two views, that's the plan view and the elevation view of the assembly itself. But then from the elevation view, I took a detail view. In the detail view, I hid everything except these bottom elements, which were these items. And then I took a section there to detail this one. These items are detailed somewhere else, I think. So what I have done is, from the main assembly, I have separated out the main beam and all these elements which are connecting to the bottom area of the Then what I have done is I created two main views, that is to detail everything as a subassembly in this section and this section. So I call that section A and section B, and moved it into a second drawing. So if you look at here, so I have the section view here and section view there. Here I am hiding a lot of items and only showing what I am interested to dimension in that particular view. And you can see I've got all these beams. I fully dimensioned them. To avoid clutter and all that, I am showing only the main beam section. And when you go to section CC, similar thing. So here there is a stub there on the other side. So I'm showing that. Now to set out this plate, I'm taking an additional section here and adding that view here. So the drawing becomes very simple and clutter free. Now I want everyone to do this particular drawing and review that and get it approved by your team leads, by myself as well. So thank you very much for watching.